Hi, this is Derek Ferguson, the new interim senior product manager for the Gitaly group here at GitLab. And today I'm going to be going over what we are working towards delivering in the 13.4 release of GitLab. Our top priority is getting to a GA of strong consistency for Gitaly cluster by enabling quorum-based transaction voting by default. What this will do is allow for a quorum of Gitaly nodes to agree on a transaction before that right transaction succeeds. This is building on top of what we delivered in 13.3 to enable a version of this where the primary node can override the secondary nodes during the voting for a right transaction to succeed. The second thing that we're working on is being able to override the replication factor for specific repositories within Gitaly cluster. Currently, the replication factor has to match the number of nodes within the cluster. However, for very large repositories that have large storage requirements, enabling Gitaly cluster with this replication factor can significantly increase the number or the amount of storage that's needed for that cluster. By enabling the replication factor for specific repositories, we will allow this storage need to be reduced by only upping the replication factor for the most important repositories or the most active repositories. So this will significantly reduce the storage needs for a Gitaly cluster. Another thing that we are working on and have been working on for quite a while is improving the backups for repositories within GitLab. Especially for large repositories, the backup solution right now is not very feasible and can run very slowly. There are several workarounds that have been posted in the docs. However, we're working on improving this within GitLab itself by enabling incremental repository backups. The thing that we're working on within 13.4 is skipping the generation of a Git bundle if that bundle already exists and has the same checksum as the bundle within a previous backup. This will enable much quicker backups and allow for it to be much more efficient and incrementally back up the repository. And finally, a long-running project that we've been working on for a while is improving the native Git support for large binary files. What we're working on in order to support this within GitLab for 13.4 is delivering a HTTP driver, an HTTP protocol for partial clone for large binary blobs. Since the Git protocol delivers the entire data packed together, by implementing an HTTP protocol, it allows us to stream the data by breaking it up into multiple chunks that can be downloaded concurrently and allows for a much quicker and more efficient delivery of these binary blobs as opposed to the Git protocol. All right, so that's what we are delivering in 13.4. Thank you very much. We're very excited about what we're working on, and we hope that you find this useful.